Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we're checking out the Coowps 15-in-1 accessory bundle carrying case. Guys, you know whenever you're driving down the road near the 4th of July and you see the buy one, get two free, and sometimes you even see those crazy ones, which is like buy one, get 15 free, get 10 free, and you're kind of like, yeah, I don't know. Is one gonna cost like $500? I kind of felt that way whenever I heard about this, the Coowps 15-in-1. 15-in-1 accessory bundle. But guys, let me tell you that the deal on this, it's honestly worth it. Now, I will say, I feel like they're kind of cheating a little bit with the 15-in-1 because there's one package for like the four little rubber deals that go over your switch, and they're considering that 4 items. It came in one package, but okay. That's kind of being nitpicky. But guys, this comes with some great stuff. I mean, the controller alone is probably worth $30-40, so the deal that you're getting on this is completely worth it. But anyways, guys, let's just do the unboxing of this. We'll kind of talk about everything and kind of look at it, and then I'll give my overall thoughts on it. So here it is right here, the Coowps 15-in-1. 15-in-1. That's pretty crazy. It looks like we have these little controller inputs for playing card games. We have a tempered glass cover. We have the little thumb covers, which I'll admit I've never used any of these thumb covers before. We have a game case holder, a controller, and something else for driving, actual steering wheels, let alone the case itself, which holds what looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 games. Incredible. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and open this up because I'm super excited to check this out. Boom. Here we go. All right. Open this up. Here is the case itself. Let's just pull this out. There's nothing else in the box other than the case. Nice plastic cover. Let's rip this off. Here we go. Right away, I can tell you, this is tough. This is a hard shell case. It has straps right here if you want to carry it like a backpack or like a laptop bag, I should say. Nice and textured. Handle feels good. Yeah, I like this. Coowps. Love it. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, I'm so excited. Open sesame. There's everything. Camera shake. Let me zoom out a little bit so y'all can see better. Okay, here we go. Okay, right on top, looks like this is the plastic game holder. Oh, I wish it had a free game. Oh, that's cool. So it looks like in here, it actually looks like it holds a micro SD holder of sorts right there. And look at that. Wow, so you can put games on this side. So it looks like 6 on this side and 6 on this side. So that's really nice. I like how it's clear. Wow. Right here, a USB-A to USB-C for charging. On top, oh, this is like such a cool goodie box type of thing. Open. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting the quality of this. I have another set of these that you put the Switch Joy-Cons in. But guys, and it's a different brand, but this one from Coowps is like actually textured and has the buttons up here that feel really nice. Like this feels nice. So one of those. Looks like 2 of these right here. So a second one that is nice. Right here is the controller. Ooh, I'm excited for that. Look, this is also textured and it has the buttons on the back. Oh, that feels nice. And apparently this lights up, which I will test out here in a bit, and it is wireless from what I understand. That feels nice. And right here we have the steering wheel. Okay, so one of these, 2 of these. Gosh, there's so much included in here. Wait a minute, it comes with a case. I didn't actually realize it comes with a case. Holy guacamole. Wow. You know what? I'm actually really excited because you see how these are so wide back here? So I have another Coowps case that is actually my favorite Switch case that I've ever gotten. Is this one right here? See? This one you can take the Joy-Cons off, you can lift this up, a charger can attach to the back. And this one is my favorite, and I was like, can I even put this in here? And I still don't know yet, but seeing this and that it's just as big right here, maybe I will be able to put that on. So now I have the ones where you can take the Joy-Cons off, and I have the ones where they stay on. So, whew, I'm excited for that. So, add something else right there. Right here are the thumbstick caps that go on top. These I have never used, but I'm excited to try these out. The tempered glass, so protective case or protective glass that goes on top of the screen to protect it from scratching and everything else. I already have one of these on my Switch, so you're not gonna see me put this on, but that's real nice. Oh, here are the straps themselves that go over it. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the straps. And then, oh, here's a little manual for the controller itself. That is nice. I love that it has RGB. I wonder if I can put any controller in there. I think I can based on the pictures. And then the case itself. And then right here, this is where you put the Switch games and stuff. Guys, this comes with so much. Before I show a montage of pictures, let's just see what all fits in here. So I'm gonna do my my actual Switch in there with the other Switch case. Let's see if this fits. Is that even where it goes? That's the main question. Wait a minute, hold on. You know what? I think this comes with a Coowps case, but this won't even go in there with the Coowps case. Interesting. Okay, so I guess if you just want to bring this with you to use, because if I already get my Switch here, I'm gonna take the accessories off real quick. So I took off the Switch case, and then I guess if I try to put this in here like this, am I doing something wrong? Backwards? I'm really confused. The picture has it setting up like this. Okay, I guess that's what I do. I put it in like this. Okay, so it is in here now. And then right here is for the Switch dock, but I'm gonna admit that my Switch dock is like really tangled up in my gear right now. But the Switch dock goes right here. And right here, you're supposed to be able to fit the Switch 2 where the Joy-Cons go in here. So that would go right here, just like that. And right here is for a controller. So it looks like this one can fit, but also the Switch 2 Pro controller should be able to fit in there. So that is nice. Right here, I think it's supposed to be either for another one of these or accessories. I wonder if that fits in here. No. Okay. So I guess right here you could put wireless chargers or anything like that. So essentially what it is it comes with a lot of stuff, but it doesn't mean that everything can fit in here. The main point is though, you can get your Switch in here, you can get a Switch controller, and you can get 2 of these. And then you should be able to get your games in here and get that up there. I'm reaching over. So you can see you can get your games in there. And you can put other accessories here, and when you close it, it all fits. And honestly, if you don't want to bring the Switch dock, heck, you have that space. Look, I could put another controller there and something else. And honestly, most of the time when I bring my Switch, like on an airplane or, you know, camping real quick, I don't bring the dock with me. So this is a natural space that I could use easily for something else. Real quick first though, I actually put that case on here that it came with, and it just slides over, and I popped it in real easy. And I can tell you this feels really nice. So you can't take the Joy-Cons off on this, but the grip is really nice. And on the back it does have the stand. Okay, so this is the stand that comes with the Switch because it only covers this part right here. So that is nice. But yeah, to confirm, this cannot fit in here with this on. which I wish it could. However, Coowps does have another case that will hold this one with it and with the other one. The only difference is that's mainly just for your Switch, not the controller and all the other accessories. So Coowps does have multiple cases for multiple things. Let me lay this out so you can see everything this came with, because this is a lot.
Well guys, the Coowps 15-in-1 accessory bundle, I am pleased with it. I am happy with it. I think it's so cool, everything that it comes with. Plus, you know, I'm a huge RGB guy, so the fact that the controller has RGB lights alone sold me on it. But anyways guys, I hope that I helped inform y'all on this product. This honestly is really cool. I love everything that it comes with. They did ask me to let them know any of my opinions or anything that I wished. I will say that I wish it could carry the Switch 2 with their Coowps case on it, because the Coowps case for the Switch 2 is honestly one of my favorites. They do already have a case, but it's a small one that can hold the Switch 2 case with it. I know I'm saying case a lot, but essentially a carrying case that fits the Switch with their Switch 2 case in it. But this one doesn't do that, so I really wish it did. But I mean, it's cool that it holds the dock. So anyways, but yeah guys, I love this. I approve of this. It's really great. But anyways guys, please like, share, and subscribe.